Hi. Now I will tell you how to change brake pads on Lexus NX 200. First of all, you need to enable the brake pad replacement mode. Now we put a jumper in the diagnostic connector, into this pin and into this pin. They are the fourth from the edge. Then we turn on the ignition. Press 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 4 times press, and hold all when to convergence of pads all. The sound is over. Now you can start replacing the pads. We turn off the ignition. That is, when the jumper is on, 3 times raise the parking button, 3 times lower, and the last time the fourth press and hold. We hold it for quite a long time, like 5 seconds. Now I've already got the wheel off. We need to remove the connector from the handbrake motor. Use a 14 wrench to unscrew the bolts. Take off the caliper. Now we need to push the piston in. Use this tool to push the piston in. It is freely pressed in. Then we correct the dust cover so that it does not bite the piston when it comes out. That's it, the piston is in. Now, if you just need to change the pads, change the pads. In my case, I need to change the brake disc itself. So now I'm going to unscrew the bracket, clean all the guides, seat the pads, and put everything back together. To unscrew the brake bracket, I need to unscrew this bolt and this bolt with a 17 wrench. Unscrewed the bracket, took off the disc. I'm looking at the seat. The seating area here is clean. I put more grease on the seat to prevent it from rusting. I'm making a new brake disc. I put it in here, put one nut on it so it doesn't wobble. See how the guide feels. In the guide, I clean with a hacksaw blade the dirt groove where the duster becomes. Now I put grease on the guide and put it back in place. I do the same with the second guide. I wash off the old grease. Clean the seat. Put some grease on it and put it back in place. Now I'm going to remove these tin guides and clean and grease them. I'll also put some lube here. Now I'm going to put the bracket in. I'm going to squeeze the pads and tighten the bolts in the back. I clamp the bracket bolts, put the caliper in, and tighten the caliper mounting bolts. That's it. Now the disc pads are standing up. We put the wheel on, change on the next side, and take it off the pad replacement mode. Put the wheel in place. Now we take the jumper out, turn on the ignition, and pull up the park button. That's it. The pads are changed. Everything works.